Oregon Samson Skies introduces Switchblade, a groundbreaking flying sports car. This innovative vehicle, designed for adventurers and amateur pilots, effortlessly transitions from a car to an aircraft within 3 minutes, capable of flying at 200 miles per hour and 13,000 feet. Already FAA approved, it promises safe and thrilling journeys, revolutionizing transportation with its sleek design, advanced flight instruments, and the unique advantage for DIY enthusiasts to build 51% of the vehicle with expert guidance from Samson staff.